we are not ready for AI yet, and this is something that I hear all the time. And I understand why. So you operate in an organization where the systems are fragmented, the data quality is questionable, sites operate differently. But the thing is that readiness is usually not a global thing, it's very specific. Let me explain why. So the thing is that you may not be ready to use drone footage for mine planning or to optimize every single process. That's quite heavy. But what you may well be ready for is for predictive maintenance on one defined asset or a piece of equipment. Because in most of the mining organizations that we work with, oil samples, they do exist. Telemetry is logged either via Vision Link or third parties. And even though they aren't filled out with every single detail, they're still there, logged breakdowns and critical things that happens. And that's often enough to test something in a controlled way. So the question from where we sit and from what we see is not, are we ready for AI? The question is, are we ready for a specific use case in one narrow scope? And this shift alone reduces the fear and the risk that the organizations that we work with, they think about. So if you are ready to test the readiness of your organization without launching a science project or doing something that is extremely risky involving everyone in the organization, we have written a white paper that you can download in the link below, and we also have more resources on our website.